Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. We are on the National Highway. Papunta tayo ng Toyota Calamba. And that's because we are on the 40,000. 40,402. So let's go guys. Alright, once again guys, good morning. So the Veloz 40,000 PMS. Alright, of course, andito lang tayo sa Toyota Calamba. Because Toyota Calamba lang yung malakas.
Sana all.
So yan guys, on to the 40,000 PMS. And as you all know, pag may service tayo lagi, andyan dyan si SLEX, SMC Infrastructure. So salute to the SMC guys sa mga nagpapatrol sa road, nagbabantayan. Maraming mga galit kasi nga traffic lagi. Pero syempre, construction yung road. And of course, ayan nga, on to the 40K 1,000 PMS. So ayun, let's go. Of course, you know you're at Toyota if you will have some coffee.
Free coffee and juice.
Yun, cappuccino's preparing. So yun guys, waiting lounge. Yung mga unit, waiting lounge din pag nagpapaservice. And of course, dito yung mga accessories. Ito yung service receptionist, Sir Marcos there. Since day 1, siya na yung sa PMS lagi. Since 1,000. So, on to the 40,000 now. And, ayan. Yun. Thank you, ate. So, yun guys. Once again, doing the checklist. 40,000 kilometers PMS. Once again, Sir Marco, since day 1, since 1,000 kilometers, siya yung ating SA. So, yun yung sekreto guys. Kailangan isa lang yung SA nyo para alam yung history, what to check, what to do. Diba? Kasi baka may mga in-advance kayo before na mga pinagawa, PMS, or may pinadelay due to maraming reason. Budget, or pwede pa namang hindi. So, sa next PMS. So, at least mabilis siya matatrack. So, ayan siya, doing the checklist. Yung Toyota is taking pictures kung what it is before dalhin sa loob. Pati yung mga scratches, checkin yan. May mga checklist, blah, blah, blah. So, yun. And then after that, you have to sign it, kaya sinama ka dito para your witness to check everything, get the valuable things. Of course, having coffee. So ayan, sina-check natin. Kunin natin yung laptop bag. So yun guys, dito sa Toyota Calamba, merong service bay. You can choose, pwede dito para you can witness, pero may mga heavy works na doon ginaganap sa likod. And dito din yung mga service parking bay. So yun, once again, shout out sa SLEX, SMC. So ayan. Na-check lang lahat. Alright, so it's raining here sa Calamba. So yun guys, once again, lahat i-check. Ngayon, i-claim ulit natin yung ating cowl top kasi naangat para may warranty naman yan. Napalta na before. So let's see ulit sa warranty. And then yung mga instruction, tire pressure, suspension check, lights, wiper, check natin kung ano yung condition. Tapos if ever yung mga belt, tapos if tire rotation is needed, gagawin 40,000 kilometers, papalitan ng element ng air filter sa engine, and brake fluid, gas injector, Toyota oil na ayun nga, fully synthetic, then oil filter, gasket, brake cleaner, coolant battery check, and ayan, lahat gagawin yan. And of course, ito din yung sa ating Toyota Care engine wash, tapos gagawin lahat yung sa mga clean ng iba back to zero din, tapos Toyota Care. So yun lahat, overall ito yung sa Toyota na pinapagawa pag 40,000. So wala na tayong binago dito, wala na rin akong pinaalis, so let it be and let's see. Alright, so ayun, medyo matagal. So right now maaga, so abutin daw to ng 2 o'clock. Okay, let's go. Wigo boy, Yaris Cross. So yun guys, may vlog tayo about the Wigo. And then meron din tayong vlog about the Yaris Cross. And I think this is hybrid. Hybrid to. Kasi may HEV. So yun. Tsaka yung top ay kulay black. Alright? So that's 1.5 million. And once again, so let's go, let's go.
A few moments later.
Alright, and we're back. Forma ng Vios, so check out the mags. Shoutout nga pala sa kaibigan ko naka-Vios, Melvin Barbosa. 86 Alphard. So so once again guys, we're here at Toyota. So yan, test report, battery good. Kita nyo naman yung bar. Ranking ng starter is good, at saka charging is good. So wala tayong problema sa battery. And then dito tayo sa 40k service. So marami siyang ginawa guys. Ito, 40,000 kilometers, PMS, fully synthetic ulit tayo. Parang balik natin sa 50,000 na. So pinaltan din tayo ng air filter dun sa mismong harapan natin. Replace air condition filter. So I'm not sure if ni-replace, pero element air refiner lang. Ito yung sa ano. So baka nagkamali lang dito sa ano nila. Pero yan, 40,000. 3.8 liters yung quantity. 500 yung unit price. 1819. Air filter. So sa intake to, medyo mahal to, 2,000 kasi dito sa Toyota. Alam ko sa labas, medyo mura. Pero please check na lang if legit na authentic. May mga copy kasi niyan eh. Brake fluid, ni-replace, bin lead. So ito yung sa oil, yung gas injector, ginawa din. And ano pa ba? Ayan, gasoline engine flush, oil filter, brake, nilinis yung brake, in-adjust. So nakita doon na 8mm pa yung kapal at saka 6mm sa front and back. 2mm yung ating warning na ina-advise nila pag nagpapalit na. Coolant, pinaltan din. And then of course, nag-engine wash tayo, inavail ko na, nag-back to zero. Ayan, so inavail ko na siya lahat kasi konti lang naman eh. So yung engine wash kasi mahal din sa labas, 1K, pero steam yun. Pero dito, so matumalabas na engine wash, parang ganun din. So anyway, para isang anuhan na, saka nilinis sila. So yun lang guys, yun yung mga ginawa sa atin. And chinek lahat, suspension okay naman guys. Yung cowl cover, so pinapa-claim natin sa warranty. So papalitan ulit yung cowl cover, ni-note naman doon ni Sir Marco. Tatawagan na lang tayo pag pinalitan na. Alright? So yun lang guys, 40,000 kilometers PMS. So if you want to know how much, 13,000 babayaran natin dito. Alright? To go, but of course, si V natin ay ating daily driven and kailangan safe tayo lagi. Okay? Make sure maintain natin lahat yung ating sasakyan. So once again guys, so yan. Follow me for more Veloz experience and PMS. Alright? Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright guys, this is the Bay Area. So yun, sana hindi umulan kasi kalilinis lang natin. So let's all wait for the V. So meron Veloz doon, purplish silver. Yung black yung kanina. Alright. So yun guys, sequential yung ating signal light, yung mga turn lights. So yan, looks good. So yun, checking si kuya. Alright, suabe guys, all clean up. Damn, clean. So check natin. Alright, so yun guys, we're done with the 40,000. Ito yung mga elements, mga tira na pinaltan, coolant, saka yan yung mga yan. But then let's go to the engine bay. So ayun, yung fresh. Pasugapo pa kay Coco Martin guys, bagong linis. So yun guys, fully synthetic, coolant, pinaltan, dalawa yung nagamit. Washer fluid, so yan, dinrain, tapos pinaltan ng bago. Brake fluid, dinrain, binlead, in-adjust, nilinis, pinaltan ng bago. Nag-engine flush sa gasoline, injector cleaner, at saka ito, yung air filter. I don't know, let's see. Okay. So, ayan, yan yung naging ating mga changes sa ating sasakyan. Alright? So, balik na natin, baka magdumi. So, everything looks good naman. Make sure you check everything kung baka biglang may nawala or something. So, wala naman akong cases na ganun. So, baka lang sa inyo, might as well before you leave, i-check nyo para alam nila. Alright? So, close na natin. Everything looks good.
So yun guys, yung sa call cover, once again, tatawagan na lang tayo para maklaim sa warranty. And once again, thanks for watching guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more Velos, PMS, and other experiences. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye!